In our Enjoying Art learning community on Patreon, we start a new learning series, and all Enjoying Art members can come to join this live Zoom class every month. And this month, we introduce our opaque water medium is gouache. And in this video, I'm going to show you a simple painting technique that you can use for all other, including acrylics and oil painting. Let's take a look at this reference. Two gradient areas. One is inside the shape of the trees, and the other is the outside, is the sky. I'm going to show you how to simplify the painting process by doing one gradient color at a time. First, we're going to focus the gradient inside the tree, and then we're going to painting the sky gradient. I'm using rough watercolor paper from Meeden. Let's do a little drawing first. So I'm going to use this a little bit tiny brush, drawing with the brown color. Okay, this is all gouache color. This is the tree over here. Gouache also dries very fast. And this is its shape. It's rough watercolor paper from Meeden. First, I'm going to put this color in here a little bit quicker. So use a little bit more water, a little bit darker, when a little bit away. But let's do a little bit faster and use more water. So it's very similar to a watercolor painting. Some of the line over here, we can keep it, use the one color first. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to have a little bit darker brown color. I'm going to put it right here. Now we're going to create a gradient color. This is the light area. Going to have a little bit red over here. This is your orange yellow color, and have it right over here, become a little bit opaque. It's easier to focus on one thing. This is also very similar to oil. That's good. Like a little bit lighter. Now on this side, a little bit lighter. This is the outside. This is a little bit yellow color, and like that. I'm gonna just put the white over here. That is the white. Around the white, that is the yellow color. Okay, right over here. Okay, there you go. Add a little red to it. And here you go. A little bit more like that. Focusing on the gradient inside the shape of the tree. White. Putting into the middle over here. Again. Like that. In the shape of the tree. Now we're going to painting the outside. It's a lot easier. Take the white with that blue color, a little red color to it, right? The same thinking as you are painting the watercolor. It's just no much different. Now I'm going to start over here. I can have a little bit dry brush look. And a lot easier, just focus on one thing at a time. That's just the sky, right? Now I'm going to have that coming in a little bit. And when they get closer and closer to the sun, it will have a little bit warmer. Get a little bit more red over here. Now, a little bit tiny more red. The same, you can mix that with so only the primary color. And have a little bit more red with the white. Okay, again, like that. Here you go. That's good. So you'll be able to focus on one thing at a time. Now you're focusing on the sky. Okay, that's just one of the benefit from their opaque medium. Down over here, we change to the ocean. I'm gonna have a little bit tiny red. And here you go, right in the middle over here. Get the white paint. Put it right there. Have the white paint over here. And that's good. And a little bit more thicker over here. Now we're also going to do that over here too. We can blend this Just a little bit water. You can blend it around. A little bit more tree coming back over here. I'm going to do the line over here. And it'll be a lot more yellow and affected by the same energy in the same distance. If you like this lesson, please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. We also welcome you to join our community on Patreon. See you in next lesson.